Hello guys, welcome to my channel Bacha Tutorials. Today we are gonna see what are comments. Okay, basically this is our first tutorial video teaching Python. Okay guys, let's start by opening PyCharm. I'll create a new file, Python file, comments. So what is comments? Let us first understand the need of comments in Python or in any programming language. A comment is a text that doesn't affect the outcome of the code. Okay, it is just a piece of text to let you know what you have done in the program or what is being done in a block of code, guys. Okay, there are two types of comments. One is single line comments and other is multi-line comments. Let's start with single line comments. I will little bit zoom in. So starting with single line comments. See, as you can see, this red line, this shows that the what I have written here is affecting the outcome. See, if I run this, this is showing invalid syntax because this shouldn't be this is not the syntax, guys. So, and I will write some codes, some codes over here. This will affect them also. So this is important line. What we have to do, I have to add an hash so that, see, now I will run, no error, guys. Now same with multi-line comments, guys. See, this both line is also affecting. You can also do like hash and hash. Instead of that, you can add 3 double quotes, guys. 3 double quotes at the ending of the comment and the exit of the comment. This is about comments, guys. And in PyCharm, guys, in this IDE, if you have a comment like this, if you want to add a comment, hash at the starting of the comment, PyCharm has a shortcut which is control plus slash. Okay, the slash beside your right shift. Okay guys, this is up for this video. Thank you.